Thursday, May 28th. Anthropic's Day. They shipped Claude Opus 4.8, beats GPT-5.5 and Gemini 3.1 Pro on the agentic benchmarks. Same price as 4.7, and they closed Series H near $1 trillion post-money the same day. Plus, Copilot GA, Autodesk buys MaintainX, and Asana buys Stack AI. Let's go. Lead. Claude Opus 4.8 is live today. Anthropic released it on claude.ai on the Claude API, and it's generally available on GitHub Copilot from today. Pricing is unchanged from Opus 4.7, $5 per million input tokens, $25 per million output. Fast mode, $10 in, $50 out, and it's 2.5 times faster and 3 times cheaper than the previous fast tier. The benchmarks. SWE-Bench Pro, 64.3 to 69.2%. That beats GPT-5.5 and Gemini 3.1 Pro. Terminal Bench 2.1, 89%, against GPT 5.5, 83.4. OSWorld verified 84%, up from 82.3 on Opus 4.7. Online Mind 2 Web for browser and computer use, 84%. First model to clear 10% on the legal agent all-pass standard. Only model completing every case end-to-end on the superagent benchmark at parity cost. The quality claim, direct from Anthropic. Opus 4.8 is, quote, around 4 times less likely than its predecessor to allow flaws in code it has written to pass unremarked. Alignment metrics, they say, reach new highs on prosocial traits, comparable to the Mythos preview, the still restricted cyber-safeguarded tier. 2 new product hooks ship with the model. Dynamic workflows in Claude Code, a research preview where Claude orchestrates, quote, hundreds of subagents in parallel, aimed at codebase-scale migrations across hundreds of thousands of lines. An effort control on claude.ai and Cowork. Users dial how much thinking the model does per turn. Higher effort, more tokens, deeper reasoning. The thinking budget dial is now in the user's hands. Distribution and the T's. GitHub Copilot GA today, Pro Plus Business Enterprise only. Free and Pro are excluded. 15 times premium request multiplier through May. Usage-based billing flips June 1st. All modes, chat, ask, edit, agent in VS Code, plus the Copilot Cloud agent. And Anthropic teased Mythos class models, currently restricted to a handful of cyber partners, arriving for broader release in the coming weeks. On the same day they shipped that, Anthropic closed Series H. Per aggregator reporting, a $65 billion round at a $965 billion post-money valuation, nearing $1 trillion ahead of an anticipated IPO. For context, Series G closed at roughly 380 post earlier this year. That's a 2.5 times valuation jump in one round. The signal, round and flagship landing the same day is an accident. It's choreography. Investors price the model. The model justifies the price. The mirror move, Anthropic's enterprise joint venture with Blackstone, H&F, and Goldman pairs OpenAI's deployment company with TPG, Bain, Advent, and Brookfield. The caveat, private paper isn't a public mark. The IPO is the test. Sweep. GitHub Copilot's Opus 4.8 GA, Pro Plus Business Enterprise only. Free and Pro excluded. 15 times premium request multiplier till June 1st when usage-based billing turns on. All modes, chat, ask, edit, agent in VS Code, plus the cloud agent. Then, Autodesk is buying MaintainX for $3.6 billion all cash. Maintenance software gets the agent treatment. And Asana acquired Stack AI, the no-code agent builder, bolting agentic workflows into project management. The pattern, incumbents buying agent-infra, not building it. That's the day. Thursday, May 28th. Anthropic shipped Opus 4.8, beats GPT 5.5 and Gemini 3.1 Pro on SWE-Bench Pro at 69.2%, on Terminal Bench, OSWorld, and computer use. Dynamic workflows in Claude Code, hundreds of subagents in parallel. Effort control on claude.ai. GA on GitHub Copilot. And they closed Series H near $1 trillion post-money the same day. Autodesk bought MaintainX for $3.6 billion. Asana bought Stack AI. The agent-infra consolidation tape keeps rolling. See you tomorrow.